everyone, for today's video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view ng Yosemite Falls dito sa Yosemite National Park, California. At ito yung view ng falls na pupuntahan namin. Wow! Breathtaking views. Yosemite Falls is made of upper fall, middle cascades, and lower fall, all dropping a total of 2,400 feet and is one of the tallest waterfalls in the United States. So, dalawang ano to siya guys? Dalawang waterfalls na magkadugtong, upper and lower fall. So, ngayon, ang pupuntahan lang namin ay ang lower fall kasi hindi kami pwedeng umakyat sa upper fall. Dahil aabot ng 6 to 10 hours hike pag umakyat ka doon sa upper fall. So, pag sa baba lang, sa lower fall, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes from the parking all the way to the falls. And we also had the opportunity to climb the rocks to the base of the fall. Love this place. Cold weather and scenery. At simentado siya. So, very easy to walk. Pero si John Mark ay, ayan, nakatungkod. Nakita niya kasi yung lola niya na may tungkod. Buti na lang may extra. So, ayan, hiniram niya yung isa.
I wasn't ready at all. Jack was on a call doing laps and saw me literally like squatting down during the photos. Nice.
Okay, the waterfall. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga kahoy, guys. There you go.
What was that, a sign?
Shows the strength of the waterfall.
Doon sa naman na si Ugangan, no? Nag-alsa magkahoy.
What's he doing? Like trying to make sure everybody knows how strong he is?
Oh!
Better get it, Chang, before he drops it.
Very strong.
Look at, he's about to fall over.
Grandpa, very strong, John Mark. You got a picture with Grandpa? Good. Muntik pa nawala yung mobile ni John Mark, guys, oh. Naiwan niya sa, sa toilet.
Whoa,
Buti na lang mabait yung nakapulot. Binalik sa kanya.
look at the moss.
Ha? Where? Oh.
There's a lot of moss.
Mm-hmm.
there's supposed to be the loop on the ramp. It's not a loop cart, huh?
10 years. We'll have to change the...
That one right there?
Yep.
Yeah, maybe.
How many years?
I'm trying to take a photo to read this.
Okay. Take your time. Let's go.
Okay, Mark.
Oh, good.
Always takes the shortcut. Mama, can I put this in your pocket?
Okay.
I know a good picture to
Why?
take.
Want to take picture? Hala, sumiksik na ba to si John Mark, guys? Oh. Finally guys, nakarating na kami dito sa lower pool at ayan, may nakalagay dito na do not enter kasi nga laging may nahuhulog na bato, so delikado nga naman. At ayan, si John Mark gustong lumapit doon sa baba talaga ng waterfall kasi may nakita siyang mga bata na pumunta doon. At ayan, i-try ko rin siyang dalhin doon pero saglit lang kasi nakakatakot.
Yep, it's only though. You can also adjust. Right easier. There?
I guess I didn't before you can see. I mean, these are stuff that's this is dry. A little bit different.
Careful!
You can go up closer to the base if you want. I think I'll stay here.
Ay. Go? Just like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we go.
I think I'll stay right here, but you guys are going up to the base. I'll wait for you here.
Okay, we go to Mike.
When you get a chance, send me a picture with Mark and Jim, or just Jim, Mark, and then we'll add Mark to it.
Take nice picture na. Careful! Careful! Mahulog gani ka daw nga. Gusto niyo talagang pumunta doon sa ilalim, guys. Nakalagay na nga doon, do not enter. Hala, sige. Mga gahig ulo. Kaya nga no, baka kasi may mahulog na bato, kaya bawal. Careful, oh my God. Mahulog ka. Adventure pa more. Ganda naman kasi, oy. Okay. Follow the kids. Oh. Oh.
This is in the wall, you know that?
Huh? Yeah. Kaya pa dong? Okay. We're almost there. Whoa!
I'm gonna go right there. Come on, Mom. Like right here. I'm going to make it.
Aha. Yeah, malapit na kami sa puno. Puno. Sa ilalim ng tubig. Mahirap mag-hike dito guys kasi ang lalaki ng bato. Hey John Mark. Quickly. Kakatakot kasi baka may mahulog na bato. Ang lalaki pa naman ng nahuhulog na bato guys. So here, ayan, malapit na. Yeah. Okay. Milap. Nakadlock na noy. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa ilalim ng tubig. Ayan ang Yosemite Waterfall. Nagkanda hirap-hirap si John Mark guys.
We did it.
Yes, we did it. Great
Was
job.
it worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it.